Namaste and welcome to Kadek Learning Series. In this video, we'll see how to generate custom drawings automatically. In previous two videos, we configured design calculations and linked them to model parameters. In this video, we'll first make a master drafting of the assembly. In Kadek, I'll first open the product class, Enclosure. I'll open the I'll create a drawing from this uh, master model. So make drawing from the assembly. I'll choose a A3 landscape sheet format. I'll add some standard views. Let's say front, bottom, right, and isometric view. I'll add some dimensions also. Okay, so I've created a simple drawing and I'll save this in the same folder. In Cadec, I'll use the drawing configurator functionality. I'll choose our product class. In the outputs tab, I'll choose a folder, the master folder. And I'll choose the master drafting. When I click on save, Cadec will crawl the drawing like it crawled the master model earlier. In the configuration tab, I'll choose our drawing. Uh, in configurator tab, we'll specify the margins. Let's say I want top margin as 30 mm, bottom margin, since this title block is about 66 mm, I'll choose 70 mm bottom margin. On the left side, I'll choose 30 mm, 30 mm. And on the right side, I want a, uh bill of material or some notes here. So out of the total sheet size of 420 width, I may need about 150 mm width for the bill of material and other details. So I'll choose a right margin as 150 mm. In between views, I'll use some, intermediate margins. I'll also see whether the uh, drawing views uh, in the rows and columns Cadec has correctly chosen or not. So in our first row, view 1 and view 3 is there. In the second row, 2 and 4 is there. And 1, 3, 2, 4. So Cadec has correctly identified which view is in which row and which column. So our initial work of a simple drawing configurator is done. I'll close this. I will close this master model. I'll choose the creator, that is auto create designs from here, and I'll choose the product class. I'll give some uh, project name or inquiry name. I'll either choose specifications or give specifications. Maybe I will give a different values this time. Calculate, modify. Uh, we had not linked the uh, pattern feature. So we calculated the pattern number and pitch, but we had not linked it, so it has not updated. It has updated the length, width, height as given by us. We'll create a drawing for this now. So you'll see that it has the used the required margin specifications. From bottom, it kept 70 margin. On the right side, there is a lot of margin, but it calculated the scale based on the horizontal scale and vertical scale. It kept 50 margin between the views, and it kept 30 margin on the other side. On bottom, it kept 70 margin and 150 on the right side. It also arranged the dimensions, and so this is the basic. Okay, you will see that it has calculated the uh, view scale and located the views, located dimensions automatically. So this is the basic drawing configurator. We'll see some functionality of the some advanced drawing configuration also. So for that I will close this drawing, close this output, and I'll choose the product class again. So I will first add custom properties. So custom properties are there in SolidWorks, any SolidWorks document. Here we'll use CADEC to generate and populate the custom properties based on the design that is generated. So in custom properties, I'll first choose default custom properties. Before that, we'll see that in file properties, there are no custom properties. But if I use this default custom properties, it says that custom properties for all variables created in parent master document. So after this, CADEC has created all custom properties inside the uh, assembly custom properties. So the layout ID, the variable, shape variables, size variables, the properties are created. The values will be populated when we create any design output. So we'll see that also. We'll also create customized custom properties. So in default custom properties, the properties are added only to the assembly file. But when we are creating notes or bill of material, we want the custom properties to go in each and every parts custom properties also. So in customized custom properties, I choose the component. I we'll need to do it for all components, but as a sample, we'll do it in the body. So in body custom properties, if I right click, I choose the custom properties. So these are the all variable values available with us. So out of which I'll choose body thickness and body material. Okay. And I'll click on set. Okay. So now it has added the custom properties to the parts properties also. Okay. So we'll create a few more things now. One is that we'll create a drawing for the body part. Okay. So I will open this body and create a drawing from this part. Which I'll again choose A3 landscape, and I'll add some views. Let's say front. Okay. I'll add one more view to this. I'll add the flat pattern also here. Okay, I'll add some dimensions. Okay, so I've added some dimensions. In this, I want to create a custom node which includes, let's say, the thickness is equal to, I'll choose the model found here and the property of body thickness. Then material is equal to, I'll choose model found here and body material. And let's say quantity equal to 1. Okay, so we have added some custom nodes using the metadata which was specified in creating the design. We'll save this as body drawing. We'll also make some changes to the assembly drawing which we created. I'll open the assembly drawing. I will go to the sheet format. Uh, let's say the drawing number. I want to give the layout number. I want to move this title here, and in the drawing number I want to add a note, and I want to choose the layout ID. So there is a property created by CADE called layout ID, which is the inquiry or project number. I'll click OK. Okay, like this we can add parametric notes at various places in the drawing. I will add a bill of material table. Okay, so I will save this, close. Now we'll go to the drawing configurator again. I'll choose this. I want to add one more drawing in this, so I'll choose the folder and choose this other drawing, which is the body drawing. I'll save. So it will capture the details from the body drawing also. In the first configurator, I'll just add one more thing, and that is add auto balloon view. Our this view is view 4, so I want to add auto balloon in view 4. I'll keep all the other things same. And in the second drawing, CADEC identified that 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4. These three views are in first row and 2 is in second row. So let us see whether this is 1, 3 and 4 are in first row and 2 is in the second row. So CADEC has identified correctly. I'll specify the margins. This time, okay, the bottom margin is 70, but this time I'll choose right margin as 30 and in between margins as, let's say, 50, and I'll save this. So we have completed our drawing configurator. I will close this and we'll generate our output. This time it will generate two drawing outputs also. So let's say project 3 and give some different dimensions. Let's say 1,800, 500. Modified the dimensions and will generate drawings. So you'll see that in the part drawing, it has updated the uh, parametric nodes. It has arranged the dimensions. Then it has updated the views. Uh, the thickness given in the calculations was 2, but the thickness was not linked to the part thickness, which we'll do later. If we go to assembly drawing, the layout ID has come here. Then balloons it has added. The bill of material is seen, and so on. So this completes our third part of the sheet metal enclosure configurator. Thank you.